In this video, I'm going to show you how to join an admin server in Steal Brain on Roblox. The process is very simple, so make sure to follow along. First, open your browser and go to Roblox website. Once you are on the website, use the search bar and type Steal Brainrot. Make sure you're searching under Experiences. Then click on the game to open its main page. After the game page loads, click on the server tab. This is where you will see all the public and private servers currently running. If you have friends who are admin, look for their names in the server list. If they are in private server, you will see them appear at the top. Simply click join and you will be placed directly into an admin private server. If you don't have an admin friends, there's another method. Here's what to do. Change the server sorting option to ascending. Start scrolling through the server list, and if you recognize an avatar, know that the player is an admin. You can click join and you will successfully enter an admin server. So in summary, join admin server through friends with admin access, or manually find admins by sorting and recognizing avatars. That's all there is to it. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.